ECDL Advanced Access Lesson 81 Command Button Macros. Macros can be added easily when creating command buttons using the wizard. OK, let's open the transport database and open the buses form in Design View. Make sure Use Control Wizards is switched on. And then create a command button in the center of the form footer. The Command Button Wizard dialog box appears. In the Categories section, select Miscellaneous from the list, and from the list of actions, select Run Macro. Click Next. Select Print Macro from the list, and then click Next again. Now select Text, and then type Print Record as the text to appear on the button. Click Next. Leave the name unchanged, and then click Finish. Save the form and switch to Form View. We can now click the Print Record button to print out a copy of the current record. And at that point, close the transport database. OK, we've now reached the end of Lesson 81, in which we've discussed command button macros. We have also reached the end of Section 11 on macros, so now it's your job to have a go at Lesson 82 and Lesson 83, which are the two revision exercises to test your understanding of what we've learnt in Section 11. In fact, not only have we finished the lesson and the section, we have now reached the end of the Access module. OK, it's been a pleasure putting all these videos together. I hope you find them of use, and I look forward to seeing you again as I develop more courses. OK, I look forward to seeing you then.